avocado, watermelon, cucumber and cannellini bean salad. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 2 ripe avocados. Cut 1 watermelon into 5 cm cubes. Cut 2 cucumbers into 5 cm cubes. Roughly chop 1 handful of fresh coriander. In a large bowl, add the avocado, squeeze over the juice of 2 lime, and gently mash. In a separate bowl, toss watermelon, cannellini beans and cucumber together. Place on a platter the avocado mixture. Place on top of the avocado the watermelon, cannellini and cucumbers. Sprinkle with coriander and season with salt and pepper to taste. Then serve.